This one is a 1972 Smith Corona Super Sterling. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The color is seafoam green. To set the margins, they're right here. Very easy to set them. Just push them down and with your finger and move them like that. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. To get back to the beginning, hit the line space, and it skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single space. To put it on double or triple, you just use this little lever. We're going to keep it on single. As you can see, this one types very nice. All the keys type nice and don't stick or skip. It has a red and black ribbon, so we'll type a sentence with red. Very nice typer. This is one of my more popular machines. Probably the most popular style is the Smith Corona, Sterling, Super Sterling, Galaxy. All those are pretty similar. The print is Elite, which prints 12 characters per inch. So you fit more words on a page with this machine. Show you how to use the rest of the functions. To take the paper out easy, you just flip that switch and it'll pull right out. It releases the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like cardstock or carbon copy paper. It's got a backspace up here on the top left. That works good. This is the ribbon selector switch that allows you to use red or black. I'll put it back on black for now. It's got a tab function. Right now there's no tab, so we'll set a tab right there by hitting the set button, and it'll stop where you set it, and you can clear it like that. You could put a tab anywhere on the platen on this model. And it's got a resistance control. What it does is it loads a spring on the keys, so you just have to, when you have it on high, it just, you hit them, you have to hit the keys harder, and they respond faster too. I like to keep it on low myself. It's got carriage release levers on both sides. This little compartment will flip back, and that one will too if you do it right. So you can access that back area, usually just for maintenance, so I don't really like messing with that if you're just a normal casual typer. It's got a slide hood here that allows you to access the spools. This lever up here on the top left will change the direction of your spools. Right now it's pulling to the right because all the ribbon is on the left, so we're going to keep it like that. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.